This is a simple unboxing video of my Logitech Extreme 3D Pro Precision Flight Stick. You can see these are the features, so joystick and some user documentation. Okay, this is how it looks like. I'm just gonna open it up. Okay, there you go. Right, looks nice. Hold on a second. Alright. Yeah. That's the joystick. And I think there's a documentation here. Simple user manual. Okay. It's kind of sturdy. Okay. But yep. Looks really good. So yep. Extreme 3D Pro. Front side. Looks really good. Okay, thanks for watching.